You need to get the police involved.
You're crazy?
Me look like me crazy to you?
You're crazy? Jigga go find out. Me don't want Jigga.
And not everything you have to tell Jigga, you can't do it discreetly. And not everything Jigga has to know.
But Jigga go think me cheap. Man.
Girl, yes, I'm talking about your life. This is about your life.
Cause me not understand. Eh? All me I try tell this guy say nothing can happen between us. I'm married and it was just a simple mistake. Him still not take no for an answer. Mr. Paulette, you know say me and Jigga go dinner one night. You know say the boy me see.
What you say?
Me say the boy me see me in the car and the boy come right at the window.
Me tell you, you need to get the police involved. I want weirdo that. They must stalk you.
Him asked me to come see him, but I don't know. I just want to get this over with, Paulette.
Listen to me.
I just want to get this over
Stephanie,
with.
as a friend, do not go. Too much things that happen. Up to the other night, them stab up one girl in the park, you know.
I saw me here.
Right? So with all of this stabbing and shooting, what happened? Don't go. Me tell you, easier way, just get the police involved, make them go warning.
But when me go tell Jigga?
Him not have to know.
Him go find out.
Girl, you don't have my secrets. Everything you about Jigga find out. Eh?
I think me just about tell him.
Well,
Me go tell
do
him.
you think you can stop it? Man, the man attack you plus Jigga.
You know, I'm just go see him and just get this over with. Just tell him my mind and just get this over with.
Steffi, me not think it's a good idea, but if you want to do that, then it's up to you.
But that are the only idea I have.
Well, handle your business then.
Hello. Hello. Steph. What one, baby? Where you there? Alright, I need to see you right now. You come in? You still coming? No, I'm not rush nothing. I just need to see you right now. Okay? Yeah, man. Hurry up, come, man. Please. Okay. Come in. Come in. Hey. Come on here. One.
Look, you need stop. Just stop.
Yes.
Stop.
What's the problem? What's the problem?
You need to stop it, man. Look on the finger. Look.
So what? What
I'm
if you
married. You need to stop this. This is foolishness.
Listen.
Okay, what you call me here for? You call me for...
But
No.
I'm calling here to see you. Listen,
So-
I've been calling you like day, night, back, forth, and you don't respond to me. What's wrong?
Remember I'm married. Remember I'm married.
Well, you shouldn't get yourself involved with me even though you're married.
But that was a mistake.
Mistake, huh? You know? That means everybody just come and leave at them feel like, you don't take me for some idiot, right? You make my feelings get on the chart for you. I know you're just a cheap man like some idiot, so. Eh? I mean, everybody live. See? Everybody live. We are human beings. You need to understand that. And I felt for you. I felt something for you, baby.
Look.
Don't give me, don't
Just
give me
make me
that.
talk, just please. Me and my husband on a good term right
I will
now.
tell me about this husband
We
business.
can't do
Yo.
this no. Just
Yo, I'm fed up, God no.
alright, you said you want to talk. Alright, let's just talk like two civilized people and just get this over with, alright?
Alright, let's do that then. Let's do that then.
Hold on, my husband takes us. Let me just take some back.
Who's that?
My husband. Alright. just sit.
Give me a second, I gotta get the bathroom.
Alright. Look, don't stay long.
Yeah, whatever. I want to stay long.
Alright, Paul it and send the boss that picture to you. Alright?
So, let's pick up where we left off.
Wait, I want to use the bathroom.
Here's the bathroom.
Yeah, I want to pee.
Yo, who you send the picture to?
Where you going, I'm a burger?
Take me for idiot.
Give me my phone.
Say, take me for idiot. You can't do that.
Yo, Kush, give me a call, brother. I tell you, me running to pimping. And brother, I really look like a quench, you know. Cause look like he need money, like he running at some things. So just give me back a call, dog. Me have some good news to tell you, to man. Link me back, see? Yeah, hello? What? Oh my God. Okay. I'll be right there.
Passion. Call it off. What have to call it off? Yeah, man. What have to call it off?
Always listen now. Always buckle up and let's take a ride. Let's go see what life is like. Cause when you're black, you got to pay the price. Living in poor and poverty ain't nice. So when you get an option, just make a choice. And when you make a choice, make sure it's right. Cause what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to use, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? You better make sure that you do the right. Stop think once, start think twice. Stop all the war, fussing and fighting. Warring by day and war by night. When the time is right, it's gonna be alright. Let us all unite. Let us all unite.
Yo, warm to her. Warm to her. Eh?
Yo, dog.
Yo,
Yo, Kush, kill me, dog.
Yo, I want him.
Let's stop upstairs.
Me blow out. Them stab up Steph. I lie you tell me that. Yo, I can't believe it, dog.
What that dog? Yo. I don't know what.
Brother, get up, brother. Get up on me. I'm here with you.
I'm coming, dog. Come in. But just come in and get the car.
What you said to me?
What's the baby, dog?
She be pregnant too? Can't believe it. Yo, that.
No,
God know.
dog.
God know you. Yo, Jigga.
Oh.
Yo. Jaja. Last year you.
Thank you, sir.
Never know say Steph pregnant, brother.
Thank you, dog.
Jaja.
I don't know what's wrong, bro.
God know you.
Oh,
Brother, get up off I go, man. Get up and make me read. Can't believe it, son.
Thank you, Steph. I don't know what's wrong, dog.
Sure. You call me.
I call you so much to catch your dog.
No, I don't see no miss call.
I like a phone, dog.
I don't see no miss call from my phone, bad man. I
Dog,
don't see no miss call.
I want the dog not call the phone.
Yo, you call me that. Yo, I don't see no miss call from my phone, bad man.
Wait, no, man. I don't know if you do that.
Brother, I can't believe what I go on, brother.
Yeah.
Yo,
I don't know, dog. I don't know.
I say Steph dead.
Yo, man. Feel this again, dog. The baby definitely dead. The nurse didn't tell me, dog.
Not even know say she pregnant neither. That me I tell you.
The police. The police.
Judge, yo, I can't believe say she dead, brother.
Nobody don't know what happened. The baby definitely dead. The police said, no man come up at the house.
So yo, that doctor them tell you?
Yeah, dog. I don't know, I tell you.
Believe that.
Them killer, I don't know the police, them. The boy, I don't know where I got. The boy,
God no, yo.
and the police, the police said, I come up at the house.
Yeah. Then come up on my house, go look for me. What you say?
No. Man, everybody look for you, dog. You know, that basic guy here about you, dog. A basic guy here about you. Everybody has said this and said that about you.
Friend, bad man. Yo, anything you hear about me, not go so bad man.
Yeah.
You're a friend. I'm not try to set you up
That's not me.
bad
That's
man.
how people say, bro. Everybody has said it.
Brother,
Everybody has said that.
listen where people say.
Yo, Kush.
What happened to Steph, you know? Yo, judge.
Yeah, I don't know, dog.
What if it's a bad man?
Can't live right now, bro. I can't live right now. But dog, everybody and the mother talk about you, dog. I don't know. What you talking about?
About me?
Yeah,
Brother.
bro.
Brother, I don't know why people look for me. I'm there up on my place,
Yeah.
brother. I will advise bad man.
Yeah, no good.
Can't believe it.
Yeah.
So what you gonna do?
Bring back up my yard. Bring back up by the house, bro. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna come out and man me.
So you ready?
Police them are coming.
Brother, come
Yeah.
like, yo, mash up your meds, bad man. You ready, bad man? And you ready, you know, daddy. Brother, yo, you ready? Yo, forward, man. She can't believe, brother.
Yo, dog.
Yo, she can't believe, dog.
Oh, God.
Yo, that's go on, Bill, man. Yo, everything are good, bad man. We are dealing with the thing.
You
Over there,
can't,
yeah, man.
oh, fuck
Yo,
you, dog.
forward, man, forward.
You somebody tell me something to you.
Brother, stop listening to people, no, man. And forward if you are forward, bad
You
man.
can't, you can't, you can't. I'm scared.
Bad man,
People tell everybody tell me something to you that you can't gas, smash out.
yo,
You know.
come, brother. Me I carry up a yard, bad man. Come on.
I left me from my house.
And really,
I'm there in a long time, I don't see how we're going.
why? To be honest with you now, I'll go one problem.
You ever have woman problem from you come here in a gym?
Why this one I like you want to send me to my grave?
You better make it sooner before you pay for them at door.
Jaja. Look good see you still.
As always, we expect.
Things are going for your daughter.
What you mean? Of course, things are going to go on for me. They're going like things are going for me. Things are going on for me, yes?
Really, you not drink nothing?
No, so I'm a good man. From last night, me a beat some liquor, so me alright, man.
What going on, Riri?
What I'm done for?
Alright, my dear.
You say you want something?
Right.
See me a water that we go and drink.
Why vibes now?
Just there, I pass through, you know.
I want to say everything I put it in.
Oh, everything up, man.
Mm.
I say, you good, my boss.
Yeah, my boss.
Well, like, you cross out already, man.
I tell you. Janu.
Boy, you have to turn up on your foot, then, man.
Why? Not the one time you can't turn up on your foot when you have one problem, my boss.
Woman problem.
Yeah, man.
You know where you go, man. Sometimes I feel like I don't want to kill them, not true?
What if you top you?
And get away with it.
Of course. Right now, that's how me feel. That's how me feel, my boss.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So I say reach to a state that you want to hear man or what is?
Kill him and get ready. Like I put little antifreeze in and drink.
Antifreeze, what that do?
Why?
So I saw if you pump you, man, them strong.
No, man, that's something if you get rid of them, man. Anytime them I give you a problem.
Get rid of them.
Yes, man.
So we can get that from now.
Boy, me hand over me heart can't give you no, man.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man, you come now, man, you come back. So, about the cork of this. It's a little bit more length. Very good, man.
Well, come on, chat to you.
Yeah, me boss.
So, where is it? When we can get that from now?
You know what's me hand over me heart?
You want over there?
Yeah, man. Tell you how.
For me, I want a woman that would want to get rid of her for chewing her. Yeah, man. But give me a link, man.
I'll give you a link, boss. Car.
So for your woman, you work on him.
Yes, man.
And he ain't dead.
He's not dead.
He ain't dead.
Yeah, between dead.
So, just tell me a little bit more about him, man.
I mean, I tell you, say, you have to just take time and pour in a drink and give her. You understand me, boss? Anyway.
Hold on. Before you go, you don't want another drink?
No.
Hey, give me another drink.
No, man, me can't. No, me can't do no more drinking. Me high.
You sure?
Yes, my boss. We chat, man.
Hey, you good information them there give me a while ago, you know.
For real, me dinner.
Yeah, man, respect, man, respect.
Yeah, all right, my boss.
Which part me can find you?
You know, me live on when you take a right turn, round the corner so, and then you make one left turn, then you make one next right turn. The third house on your left.
All right.
Yeah, man.
All right. You sure you don't want another drink?
No, my boss, can't do no more.
Yeah, Kush. Wagwan. Wagwan. No, bro. Yes, yeah, come on a little bit. I actually go back down at the hospital. I bring her some stuff. Yeah. Yeah, man, me talk to the police them and thing, bro. Them still at work on it. It's just so ironic to me, bro. Who all the stabbing are going on in the neighborhood, and then it's like we end up becoming a victim. Like Who would have thought that, bro? Yo, dog. You don't even know. I tell you, bro. What? Passion. Yeah, you know, yo, that girl is still a call me, bro. I know she talk about she need a 100. Yo, I'm not even pay her mind, you know. Yo, whatever happened with the whole macaroni situation? You did get back your money? Yo, but tell you about them people there, you know, dog. Tell you about them people there. Don't know why you give them money. But yo, yeah, me have to run back down at the hospital, you know. Yeah, man. We link up, see? Yeah, bro. Yeah, man. And thanks for calling, man. Cool.
Yo, cuz, where say I going now? Where say I going now? Tell me. What?
Auntie, remember the robber there? What she do?
You know, so me not getting a chance to go up there go see her yet and find out what I going. But you call on my phone and you see me and I wonder say what I going, you know, like why miss it?
Call it off. What have to call it off?
No, what you talk about? Me not call off nothing, but
Mr. Ita get out of hand, you have to call it off.
yo, everything good. We gotta sort out the thing. Me and mama good. Me nothing can call off right now.
Me say you have to call it off because the man check the man again for more money and them something that get out of hand, bro. Me can't manage it because heat the pan way.
Yo, me not cut off that deal, you know.
Yo, listen to me. You listen to me now, cause me say, what have it, stop it. Steph is my best friend. We come up with this stupid idea. I know it blow out to get out of hand. We plan to scam the man, but it get out of hand. Me can't do this to Stephanie. Me can't do it.
Jano, I can't believe I'm reached so far and I'm thinking I say, yo, I depend upon a piece of food.
You say you want some money in the
Sort out
pocket,
my
say you
thing.
go do it, but it get out of hand.
Well, I me call. Call it. I see if me I get for your number.
Man and all talk, they don't stop torment the man, all call him man again for more money. He can't, me can't do it to my
Yo,
friend.
see your phone ring there, you know.
It's a friggin' psycho boy.
Yo, who that I call you?
What look at you that boy, man? Jigga your friend, bro. Are you the man confide in her? When the whole shit go down, the man come check you. Have a heart, no, man. We not deal with it, so cause, man. Are you bridging, man? I see you deal with your people, them.
So you say call it off?
Yeah, man. All the one passion supposed to come check me because I don't deal with her until I say you call it as supposed to come and put anytime, you know. Yeah, man. We have to call it off, man. Good people are good people, man.
That you say?
That me I say.
Everything good, man.
Yo, that me say call it off.
Smell again, brother. Nova. Alright. Alright. No answer them phone. One with the woman. I been a call she. Nobody no answer them phone. Yo, me I get fed up of this, brother. Same thing over and over, brother. But tired of you call the woman and they not pick up their phone, bro. But they call Polly from morning and no answer. I actually didn't even know the woman I get on my nerves, you know, bro. It's alright still, man. I don't even worry. Paulette. I left a voice note here. When you receive my message, please give me a call. Come in to talk to you. Yeah. Alright. Paulette. Paulette. Listen to me, B. Me left a voice note and I been a try reach out to you for a morning and I not get to you. So please, when you see the message, give me a response, because right now I go crazy, mamas. I need to talk to you, yeah? Please, just answer your phone.
Wagwan.
Wagwan, me nephew.
Jaja.
There.
Can't believe say you there, say you good.
Yeah, man, me good, man. I hear car this, yeah.
Yeah, man, auntie, I'm my car, man.
Then after me no know, you have to be careful, you know, me nephew.
Yeah, man, I choose me walk down the road and the road narrow, me no want to turn down the stuff and me just park here, so yeah.
Yes, me nephew. I mean, I tell you, me no want you to regret, you know.
No, auntie.
Me no want you to regret me nephew in our life, because guess what? Me regret whole heap, you know, me nephew.
Oh, man, auntie. So, yo, auntie, you know nothing about the robbery, like, what go on? You know, about no information about who running pan you and anything there.
Oh, you know, the police, then say them we get back to me, you know, me nephew.
Judge.
You know, then say them at work, panny, you know.
Mm.
So me they wait for the police, them know if they get back to me.
Oh. So you say no information, because you want to find out who running pan you and try to do your things, because right now, you're not too pleased now head about it, you know, but that's why I wonder say if you now look a clue, you know, like a look.
Boy, me nephew, fi tell you know, say I'm mojo. Woman did they left.
Mm-hmm.
So me no left, they ain't see nothing, you know.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Them, oh, so them left little before it happened?
Yes, them left little before them. So me no know, me no sure if they ain't see nothing, me nephew.
So last year, I wonder if they see nothing, you know. But, yeah. So it goes still, auntie.
Yes, me nephew.
So auntie, oh, everything I go come to a positive end, man. You see me I say?
Yeah, man.
But
Yes, me nephew.
don't know you take care of yourself and everything good, see man. So nobody worry about nothing. Everything I go good, you see?
Yes, me nephew. You know me not worry, me nephew, but me a pray, you know. Why worry when you can't pray, me nephew?
Man, tell them, man, God alone, man. So,
Yeah, man.
soon can link you and give you a piece of food.
Yeah, man. So take care of yourself, you know.
Man. Yeah, man. You don't know, man, and peace and blessing. You see it? Yeah, man. Everything I go good, man.
Yeah, man. More have to be careful.
Alright.
Uncle, what happened? A long time we no seen.
Wow, go on, my little nephew. God know you. I say you grow big, you. I'm give you a piece of food. A long time I not see you, you hold this.
Thanks,
Can't believe you. You good? Big up yourself. Here.
Yeah.
God knows, say. You want money too? Yeah. Alright, hold on. A little bit of money doing it. Hold that. Alright, little more. Zane, auntie.
Yeah, uncle,
Big up yourself.
Me never take care of
Yes.
yourself.
Yeah. Who is it? Detective Smith. Oh, come in, man. Come in. What you doing, man?
Respect me, boss.
All right. All is well, sir.
Well, you don't know it's our road stay, no, man. We just have to do the right and come in safe when we can, understand?
Okay. All right. The reason why I call you here, you know I'm new. You just have to see with me, but I've been going through some files here where I see some past and present cases that, and stuff that I need to really know what's going on in the community. And knowing your stature, so you're the best person to give me a really update on what's happening here and stuff. But just bear with me. Give me a minute. Who is this Kush? I seem to be coming up on here. Who is this Kush?
Oh, Kush.
Yeah, man, this Kush. Who is this Kush? Because I noticed that his name been popping up, a lot on this thing here. What's been happening with him?
Well,
Kush.
well, if you tell you the truth, Kush is just a little wannabe hoodlum, but he's really a menace to the community.
Seriously? But listen, anyway, we'll talk about that because I have a little list here more and go through it. So Kush, all right. Are you know where to locate him and everything?
Hard man for catch my boss. Hard man. We try everything. Him just a slippery menace to the society.
All right, hold on. And Short Boss. Why the name the common? Short Boss. But you have a problem with that Short Boss here, sir?
Short boss.
Yeah, Short Boss.
Well, we have two short boss,
Yes,
but we have one where they on Fury side.
yes.
Is the one of our very good informant. Me I tell you say the man they no them you know care if I'm mother him a inform.
The man outside.
Yeah man, you have two of them still,
Mm.
but we have one of them there from up at Cherry Tree Lane there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah man, they on our side man. He's a very good informer.
Okay.
Yeah man.
So the other one is
The other one is just miss me a little boy there where him do little thief in here and there, but him easy to catch man.
all right. So one other thing you're seeing that a recent stabbing in the neighborhood. You know about that?
Stabbing. Well, there's been a lot of stabbing going on, but me hear about a recent one where happened with a girl from down the lane there. But she good still, not no do her, and she said she will testify when it come to the case. You know, say we did have a little lead on somebody, but by growing and growing around and come around,
Mm-hmm.
we can't find him. No trace.
So
Nothing.
that just disappear like a fart in the wind.
The youth what we did have as suspect disappear.
Not even a picture.
Not even a picture, my boss. It come like a similar case what happened other day with the Clive person. Just disappear, no trace, nothing.
No man, this a figure well, this a priority. Hold on, give a second there. All right, just bear with me again, cause me have to get this off the radar there. Rambo. How? What about this Rambo? You can give me a little insight on with this Rambo?
Rambo. Rambo is the new area leader who pop up around a blood lane there,
Area leader.
Well, that's why him call himself. Because I am a supply the youth them with finance and gun and them something around there.
All right, hold on. That going to be a priority, because you know, say them things that can't work here.
And to him, man, because we have little girl, little cursing around the place, We work with we,
Listen to me. We don't know the area leader thing and area whatever. Them stuff that can't work here. Because you know, say, anytime you see this appear crime, and that can't happen under my jurisdiction here. So, Mr. Rambo, I forgot to be dealt with. All right? And one last thing here, Mr. Sir. All right. Stephanie getting stabbed. I mean, since I've been here, I get a little 1 and 2 call and so forth. And, it's like a little priority thing. Is it linked to anything with the stabbing or whatever? Because, I mean, I've been getting phone call all the while. Like this, something have to be done about with Stephanie. It seems serious and something that we have to really go deal with and so forth and stuff. You have anything about that?
Well, Stephanie case kind of difficult, my boss. I not tell no lie. Because nobody no want to talk about Stephanie.
What do you mean nobody no want to talk?
We not ask question and nobody no have nothing to say. Everybody a play at deaf ears to it.
So, in the vicinity, you can get Sharp Boss or something, go get local information for you or something.
Sharp Boss is not from around a blood lane. Sharp Boss belongs to down a Cherry Lane.
So,
it's a little rival thing between blood lane and Cherry Lane. You know a woman them walk about some of the time.
yeah, but I mean, as I said, since I've been here, the little time of day here now, I get phone call about the Stephanie thing, so something we more get on the bottom of also, if you know exactly what's happening. It's Stephanie. So, may I ask you, and I'm begging you, sir, to please go on all of these that I have here, to just go and get on them for me, please. And just try and investigate about Stephanie. I'm not giving you everything to do, because you have other people you can send out to do the thing, So just go and go deal with it, because I need to get these off, You see, when I come here, I need results,
Yes, I understand that, my boss, but remember say you have Indicom where we have to deal with it.
Forget about them, man. Them the part for we side. Them only behave so. Just anyway, let me just rest it there.
All right.
Then you talk about that after the year. All right?
All right. So,
So
anything you will sign after it.
yes, but just deal with that.
As me did want to get one different vehicle, because I want to everybody know it.
You want unmarked vehicle?
Yeah, like when I unmark one them.
All right, just give me a few. All right, me just try deal with it for you. All right?
All right, thank you.
Yeah, man. Cool.
Yeah, man. So, yeah, man, I go match up the thing and make it thing good, you see it? Mm-hmm. Yeah, man, you don't have to worry about that, man. Everything is nice, man. Tell me, I tell you, brother. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah, man, I coach this, man. Brother, anything I say I eat in a bad, man. You have to know that in a youth. Yeah, dad, you know about nothing, my lord. Yeah, them not that. Me tell you, say me I go do youth. Alright. Yeah, man. For real, man. Yo, hold on them dead. Yo, hold on there, brother. I second time I see that be here, I want to give her a page, you know. You see me, I call her back, brother.
You again?
Yo, you see, say a sign, though. Cause me here buck up again, you know. And you know, say I me forget the number now, though.
It's like you start me or something. What wrong with you?
No, man, me not stalk you. See you.
Me not tell you no already.
No, man, really, man. Don't get it twisted, man. You hear me I say, no, man, I rate you, I want to give you a page, you know. And me and you for your par, you know. You don't know that.
You
Like
know.
second time I see you now and you treat me away. How I go on?
You don't know. No. When somebody say no, you don't know the meaning of no.
Really, I say I did me. Yo, baby, you know that I'm the man for you. You know that, right?
What is?
I am the man for you.
So
Why
you're a
you think I'm
foreigner?
stalking you now? Huh?
You're a
I'm just
foreigner.
listen, I want you to be my corner, you know what I'm saying? You're the one for me. I see that and I picture that and I see you and me together, you know what I'm saying?
I pretend you're a foreigner for true.
You see, I like your style. You always make me smile. But here what going.
Give me your number then, because me not give mine. Give me yours.
You sure you're gonna call me though? Cause I know I know trick, you know. I know no trick thing.
Alright, you know what?
Alright, okay. 286 3141.
And your name is?
Them call me Kush.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
You happy now, Kush?
Yeah, man. I'm happy now.
Okay.
Thank you, Riri.
Alright.
Yo, you're my girl. You're my baby. You know what I'm saying? You're my baby.
Yeah, come in. Oh, yes, come in, sir. I spoke with the person at the front and they gave me a little insight, say you need to see me. So, actually,
Yes, sir. Good
come on, have a
afternoon,
seat.
Thank you for seeing me.
All right, yes, sir. So, what seems to be the matter now? So, what's happening?
Yeah, good afternoon. So, thanks for seeing me. My name is Jerome. My wife is Stephanie. My wife that was stabbed.
Stephanie, that's your wife?
Yes, sir. I haven't been able to get any information. It's been a while now. She actually lost the baby. That was her first kid.
She was pregnant?
Yes, sir, she was. Nobody can tell me nothing. I haven't got any information. That's why I told him I really want to talk to you. And I didn't want to talk to none of these detectives. I really wanted to talk to you. I was in conversation with the last soup, and they told me that he's not here no more. So I said, the new soup, so I'm here to fill you in. If you can do whatever you can do to help me out. My wife and I, because you really got nobody to turn to, you know what I mean? So that's the situation. If you can really help us.
Oh boy. You know, actually, recently, I had one, my detectives here, we brought it up because it was on my radar here to really look at, but actually,
Yes, sir.
I'm meeting you now and, you know, I see the emotions and stuff. So, the guys at the front weren't dealing with the situation well. They weren't.
I kept calling and calling.
And
They
you
kept
get
me
no
to
results?
run around. Nah, that's why I'm here right now. She's laying in the hospital, pretty much. She down there dying. Forgive me. It's been so much.
So,
I'm a plate man. I think I'm the only one. I'm going to the hospital. I'm calling. I'm just asking you, sir, like, please, if you can make this case, I pray that really for us, you know.
all right.
I really appreciate it.
No, I'll do that. I can see the emotions in it. But can you give me a little bit exactly what happened? She have any enemies? Nothing in off? What's happening?
I can't think of anybody or anyone. Like, everybody loves them. Like, she's a model worker. She's never done anything wrong. Everybody loves her. Then, from what I know, she went to work, and I don't know what happened. I just got the call. So the next thing I know, I was leaving work. Because I kind of have a little business with my partner. We do computer thing.
Right.
All I know, I was leaving work, and next thing I know, I got a call that she was stabbed.
All right.
And they said from day one, it's like nothing. I mean, you know, we pay our taxes, we allow back.
Yeah, I understand. I'm gonna get to the bottom of it, you know, but apart from her, you know, having any enemies, because that sounds a little personal when somebody stabs somebody, but I'd have to ask, do you have any enemies or any?
No, nothing. I walk this whole neighborhood day and night. I fix everybody's phone, computer. I fix everything. But everybody loves us. That's why I'm so flabbergasted right now, you know?
All right, because what's happening now, you know, I really have to get on this, but if she doesn't have an enemy, you doesn't have an enemy, and, you know, it could be from anywhere, but I promise you, all right? I'm relatively new here, but I promise you I'm going to get on it.
I really appreciate that.
But you see what happened? Yes, I have to pick up because what happened? You gave statements and everything already, right?
I did everything.
All right, I'll have to go through it. Okay, it's not my job. It's at the front. All right, so anyway, as I said, I promise you, I'll be right on it. All right, sir?
I really appreciate you the same way.
Yeah, man. So, you know, just go to the front there and leave your number where I can contact you right away. And, you know, necessary information. All right?
Thank you very much.
Yeah, man. Boy, I tell you.
Yeah, Chanel, it take longer than I think, but you're good to go, you know.
Thanks.
Lucky the lock-up, man. So what are you going? How things?
I've been great. Everything is okay.
Yeah?
So far, yeah. Everything good. How about you?
Good, man. Hey, tell me something. Want to never I see her around? I call her, but I know I am usually part.
No, I'm not see her.
She's probably, why she going back at town?
Maybe. Cause long time me and her not talk.
Really? All the young people can't even keep on a friend, man. I go on with them,
Have
man.
nothing, we just not talk.
Yeah? So, me I look at things, me say, I mean, me don't want to put up on the spot. Me say you and Pimpin together. True?
Yes, for me and him together.
How did that come about?
So how you just come up with that the question there, so?
Oh, come just want to ask you because, you know, then the man there.
What happened to him?
The Rambo people on.
Yeah, Rambo boy.
Hey, me not judge you, no. So no, me just a look out for you, like, you know what I say?
You just look out for me.
You and Evie I'm pretty much watch grow up, so I just want to try keep putting up on the right path, isn't it?
Yeah, right. Anyways, I've started dancing again.
Dancing on a rumble club?
Yes.
Like me say, me not judge you. I swear to God, me not judge you. You have to eat. You have to
Yeah,
eat.
and before you even say you're not judge me because me don't know you might have judge me in your mind. So before you even start judge me, I know the kind of dancing where you think.
Yeah? So, what kind of dancing going on at that?
I'm an exotic dancer.
Exactly. I dig it. Put a twist on the name, we exactly dance. You know. Stripper the same thing, but I get it. Like I said, me not judge you. Do you think?
Say, a stripper you call me.
No, not at all.
Alright,
Not
you're
at all.
good.
Me just a call a spade still, but like I said, me not judge you. I swear, just do your thing. But one them one day, yeah, you just have to know where.
Me have to just do what me have to do because it a pay my bills. As long as it a pay my bills, I go do it.
True, true. But what you say? But you want me to say, Chanel, you want to be a parent someday, right? Right?
Yes, why?
Would you tell your kids what you do? Or would you tell them what you really do? Matter of fact, don't answer that. Leave with that and think about it, yeah? Yeah, man. What good? Have a nice day, yeah?
Gracie, what going?
What going, Kush?
Yeah, man. Which part you go?
You know, step on the road, me try reach figure deal that thing.
Judge. So, yo, Mojo up there?
Yeah,
I
man.
want to get one
Yeah,
piece.
man, I left him up there and I'm supposed up there.
Oh, Selassie, aye. So, yo, I want to ask you something before you move still, no? You see me? Cause, yo, you see Rob where you going with my auntie and thing.
Yeah, how's auntie do?
She good, man. She good differently, man. You see it?
Okay.
But, yo, you never really hear nothing about going on a rabbit thing there.
You know, so if I be really honest, me don't know nothing about that, you know.
Then you know, say auntie that show me a vibe that say, yo, anytime the thing they go on, the rabbit they go on like, you know, just left out and as like couple seconds before a robbery. You see me I say? So that's why me ask you and I pray and I like say me I really interrogate and I try for ropes, you know. But me just want to find out say if you understand, cause them a say they just pass.
Well, you know, me G, me I tell you the truth. Ain't say nothing still.
The last CI. Leave you, man.
Yeah, man.
See it there. But you're good differently though. You said
Me I try, me have something for deal with so me I go deal with you now.
yeah.
But much up them man, I can go check him.
Respect man. Yeah man, good thing.
Yeah, Miss Girly. No, I already have the IP address, so yeah, I'm gonna text you a password. That way you'll be able to access everything. Don't worry. Yeah, it should be answered at that point. All right, cool. Yeah, in the morning. No problem.
Nice computer, X man.
Yes, sir, brother.
I say it seems like you know one or two things about the computer.
Disrespect, you know. You know you.
You don't know me from nowhere. You understand, but the feeling is neutral.
Oh, yes, sir, General.
Oh, me I say me see the hype on the phone and reading about the computer business. So me, you know, realize it's a man who know about your computer business.
No disrespect, my general. No disrespect. Me know you, brother.
You know, say you don't know the hype, but the feeling is neutral. But my brother, me have something I want to talk to you about, very important. You know what I mean?
What that?
Something I tell me say you have some problems. in your life?
Problem like what? Yeah?
I mean, like, all right. Watch out now, me is a man, but can feel certain energy. And something I tell me right now, brother, you have a lot of problem go on in your life. Like, say, the spirit that tell me, say, your wife did meet in a one crucial incident. What do you hear? Right or wrong?
Hold on, brother. Nobody come with your LA Lewis RT boss kind of thing here, dog.
It's not L.A. Lewis or R.T. Bark, but the energy my father. Watch out, man. You have a wife meeting in an accident, what do you do? She almost nearly lose her life, right?
Oh, you know, sir, boss. I apologize. Come on.
Yeah, I tell you, man.
It's true, me have a whole heap of going
I
right.
let her go on. You know, if it, don't.
You hit the nail right on the head, brother.
Listen, me, man.
You hit the nail right on the head.
So, what go on for this history? She alright?
You know, sir, it was a terrible thing that happened.
Yeah.
You know, my wife meeting a terrible accident.
Yeah, I
Somebody
mean,
stab her up and
she
she
almost
come
lose her,
on still, you know.
she almost lose her life.
Yeah, man, she almost live her life for real.
Wait, so she alright, you know, my boss?
Yeah, she good, yeah.
Oh, John, no. My brother.
Yeah, man.
I and I see it, you know.
You see that, man, General?
And I want to tell her, say, I could have known, say, the spirit that tell me, say, something I go good on wrong.
Believe, no, man.
You see me, I say? So,
Jaja.
what more I know, do?
Yeah.
The police, them, have no suspect or nobody at all who do the
Nobody yet, you know, but them a work on it.
Eh?
I know them a go catch a person, man.
Eh?
Probably some loser way, you know?
Yeah.
Have nothing to do.
For real.
A real loser type,
I hope
man.
they catch him too.
Yeah.
Them boy, they not... You know
catch him, man. Have to be the work of a loser, man. Some good for nothing, you know?
No way I said, my father, everything so alright. I'm just glad for know say the sister alive and well, though. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. She good, man. She
so
good,
there I deal with differently for you there now.
You know, me up on the work, you know?
Yeah.
But yeah, I really look like him have some powers, dog.
I take that one. Strap powers, we work with Dave all them man, they run the place, you know what I mean? I'm an uncle too, you know.
That's cool, man.
Yeah, man, they show me the ropes in and out.
Boy, yeah, me have to beat fast, brother, when you say that.
Man, me have a lot more to tell you to, man, but left that for one next later date.
John, no. So we meet again?
We meet,
that's
man, because you know, man, my father, that's wall strong and keep strong, yeah?
Just cool, man.
The Empress go alright, man.
You feel so?
Yes, man. What you say? The Empress got good, me I tell my father. The powers that tell me right now. She got good.
General.
And I got hold on for the boy what do it too.
Bless her.
You know what I mean? I'm a G.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Anna.
Yeah.
Man, strange individual. I look like you know anything, though. Where you come from? You just appear out of nowhere, so.
Yes, I like where you look. This minute you feel better and next minute you. What's going on? Talk to me, babes.
I have no idea, baby. I don't know. I'm just not feeling it.
With the medication is not working?
I don't know, baby. I don't know. Sometimes it works. And then I don't know. I don't know if my body get used to them or what. I don't know what is happening.
So you haven't eaten anything from there?
I did.
But you're supposed to feel better. You need to go down by the hospital to find out what's really going on. This minute you're up, next minute you're down. I don't understand. Even hot, like having a fever.
No, I'm not having a fever. I'll be fine. I'll be okay. No worries.
You need to go down by the hospital to find out what's going on because I spend a lot of money, medication, this, that, etc., etc. No better. Something wrong. It's not a good look.
I'm just trying to get some rest.
Alright, going down by the hospital, alright? See you in a bit.
I'm not no loser. I'm not no loser. I'm Not no loser. Talking about I'm a loser. This man didn't even know me from nowhere. This man know me from nowhere. Come talking about I'm a loser. I'm not a loser.
And not do them things, my G. Brother, you can't do that at the same thing reach me, my general. Look what idle ball thing, then better you go run by yourself. You can't do that, my family. Big man. Yo.
Can't lift up my friend them, a long time we have played. Before me get that big boss, I forgot for it.
Brother, it don't have much to do with your friend. It have to do with your career and your choices where you make my family. Listen to me. You have to choose to be the better person. Make a better decision than me, no man. I go ball, me go play and mash up my career, you know. And look which part me there.
But me I play careful, me not.
No, but we will never know what will happen and when it will happen from me. Listen, take it from me, no man. Me, I live it in a brother, and me see say you have the potential to go far and even way better than me, you know. Big man, me see the vision already all about all your mother house and them thing there, you know.
Say anything could have happened. I could have run on my foot, something happened to my foot. Somebody bad play me.
Brother, whole heap of things better you go run by yourself. Make them tell you say, oh, you move like your hype are better than them. Make them say that. Because you know where you want, my general. Me see the potential, my family. You can't do that, man. Big man, the community will look up to you and you are going to be the person who are going to put up on the map, you know. Come on, man. Better decisions, my general.
Me now play no more ball game after this.
Done with that, my family. Please. You see me? Please. Because me tell you, you right now, my general, like you the community I depend on for put you out there. You hear that?
I do it, man.
Yeah, man.
My mother pray every night, say nothing happened to me for sure. So.
Don't bother with the eagle ball. You hear that? Please.
No more eagle ball, man.
Please.
I just run, go up the beach.
Yeah, man, I them look at things, them, man. You see me? Jordan, keep yourself fit. Respect. You hear? Alright then, cool. Hear up, mommy, for me.
Alright.
Yeah, Jigga. Sort out that, you know.
Where are you in the jungle? You think good?
Yeah, man. You're good to go, you know.
Yeah, panel give me problem for a shot boss used to deal with you know. I don't even know what happened to that man there. You know how long I call him?
Yeah. Big man. I'm one of them man that used to work for, you know. They don't know
Shot
that.
boss?
Watch ya. I'm sure boss used to work, move the big pack of weed them for mama.
You must say that me everybody I say I'm a big informer.
Brother,
I'm a dope, sir.
then hold on. So then the big boss, so them bust them and carry him to jail. Nobody never expect Sharp Boss to come out, you know. And then all of a sudden you see Sharp Boss back on the road. Then I must inform him go inform, brother.
I lie.
I say, yo, but I got you two say no, man.
No, man, that's between me and him.
Brother.
Yo, it's think I road say my informer, but yo, man, have to figure that out, dog.
You can't get bust them big way the bridge and come out the road so quick.
True, man.
You got to roll, you got to roll over, man.
One thing, Jamaican, I like informer, you know.
The road, you know, but I just one of them thing there, you know.
But anyway, me say you're the big baller there roll now, the young youth there. You say get out, bye.
Yo, the youth good, you know. It's a big,
Sure.
yo, the man have whole heap of potential, you know, my G.
Yeah, man,
Whole
I'm proud
heap
of
of
him.
potential, man. Me I tell you something, I just keep him on the straight and narrow right now.
I'm proud of him, man.
Yeah, and keep him out of trouble.
Him better than Chucky. You know what? You know what? Boss me take. Fear me spend go watch Chucky, dog. When you say man, Rambo for around one bag of thing. Yo, the youth them don't know what they want, dog.
Them don't want nothing, brother. Yo, you know see the ball have him made pan him body. The
Yeah.
ball come amongst me and I tell him say, yo, watch you now. Keep focus, my G. Just focus on the ball game. But with no idle ball or no idle gestures, you see me, just keep focus.
Yo, don't make the man go play no idle ball and mash up himself before him. You know what I say?
No.
Enough of them boy they are hater. They go broke the man foot or, you know what I say?
That's true. Me have experience away there, so I can't afford for that happen to him.
I love how you argue with man, for real, man.
No school, man. I see the potential, my G.
For real.
1-2 that, man.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I say, wife good, you know?
You know, she good now, bro. Thanks for asking, man.
Yo.
It's a terrible thing to go through that, but
my man.
Them still not hold on for nobody yet. But
still not getting the leads?
They want to figure it out. Yo, I went and talked to the soup personally, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How am say?
You might make it a priority. So
that is it, man.
They have faith in them.
If me hear anything in the streets, you know, bro, you don't know, no.
Real, man.
First and then. Cause I don't like what go on.
See.
So, what on there? What about my youth the name Kush?
Oh, my brethren, yeah, I'm good enough.
Good?
You know, Kush. I didn't think everybody has said one bag of way about him, but I don't know, bro. Yeah, man, you know, I'm a brethren. It was always me, Kush, and Quench.
Well, so what about the one named Quench? Why am I there?
You know, one of the days I forgot to tell you about that. Yo, a long story. Me still try to figure it out myself, I swear.
Yo, be a mix up of going down the streets still there.
I tell you.
Them I say, so the one named Kush, you have to be careful of that one day, you know.
Not everybody say, man, but him good, man.
No.
Listen to me.
Listen to me good. If
See.
you are your friend, watch out for him. Remember, say, him did set up the ante, you know, brother, and rob up the whole of the partner money, you know.
I could set up the ante.
You see it? You hear about it, though.
I believe that, though.
Big man. Don't go follow up when time people talk about on a friend them and things say on a friend them don't do wrongs, you know. You don't know who is really on a friend, you know.
True.
You don't know what this man had when time you know they're on you know.
Now me hear everybody has said this and has said that, dog, but
then
a good man, me I watch him, man.
Big man.
Do.
Big man. Remember I'm saying at Jamaica, you know, if it not go say near go say.
Near go say. True. For real.
So be wary of that one day.
Yeah, man, G. Appreciate it again out there.
Yeah, man, I say alright.
Like I said, just meet me at the shop.
No problem.
I'm gonna deal with that.
Why you busy, so?
Boy, you know, you don't know a business thing going on. I have to depend on my little P's and Q's and thing. And, you know what I say? I forget things going on. So yeah, where they so far? You can't come closer, you know,
Come closer?
Yeah.
I'm not even there for Cushy your real name. What's your real name?
Boy, that not really matter right now, man. I push everybody call me, man. You don't know.
I say your mother put up that. Your mother put paper paper?
Not really still, but...
So tell me your name now. If we are good here, so might as well get to know each other.
You can't call me Kush, man. You don't know.
Suppose
you're
me
good.
want where your real name. Suppose me want to get better and well.
You soon find out my real name, man. Everything are good, man. You see it?
Anyways, before me get back on the bed, what kind of business you do? Because I realize that from me come you're busy, you know. I say it's a business
You
in
really
it. So
want to know what kind of business me do? Yo, right now my business is a good business, you know. And nothing bad me I do, man. Yes, me I say a good business me I run and things. So you so interested, or you want to find out about me, so?
So you have gone?
Really? So you really want to know if me have gun? Me a businessman, you know. Me not deal with gun and a gun on my thing, baby. Me I tell you the truth.
I like man that have gun. And a long time I want hold one gun, you know, so. And you look like one, so, you know.
You know, say looks are deceiving. A good business me do. Really, me I tell you the truth. I can't put myself in a position where I can't take myself out. You see me I say?
So,
Yeah.
suppose something for him to me a road and I can't call you. But that's all go.
Me defend man. Nobody can do nothing. You see me I say? Nobody can style you. You don't know. I push you apart, you know, man. Nobody know this, man. I have everything, like, man. You see
Just
it?
make sure. I really want to hold the gun still, you know, because I know you look sneaky, you know.
See you, you're persistent, you know.
You're sneaky.
You want to get something out of me, you know. But everything good, man.
Why? Kushano says a nice person.
Yeah,
But
man.
something now mind that tell me says I wonder, and you're too sneaky, you know.
Me a wanderer?
Yeah, you're a
Why
wonder.
you say so?
No, you're just, I don't know, you're a nice person, and don't get me wrong. It's like, today you're there and tomorrow you're not there. I don't know. It's just something.
Boy, I don't know. You see how much effort it take me to get you even for coming to this room, yeah? I tell you. I can't even believe it. Say you're there right us right now. I tell you.
Really?
Yeah.
So, when you go back to New York, you're going to leave me?
Yo, listen. I know that I'm going back to New York. You know what I'm saying? I know I'm going back and I know I'm going to live my good life again and everything. But, baby, you know I'll never leave you out. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Always going to just one little phone call away. You know what I'm saying? One phone call away.
You know, I like the vibes already, you know.
Oh, my God. I know you do.
You know, you're a busy person. He's a busy person. I'm going to leave.
Wow. So you're going to go now and leave me?
Yeah.
All right. Not even a little hug?
Yeah, nothing, so.
All right. No worries.
Just call me.
All right. Yeah, man. One call.
All right.
One call.
Bye.
All right, baby.
So you could walk me out?
No, man, you're good, you know. You know how to get out, you know.
All right.
Jaja.
About girl.
You might say no.
And yeah, look for the woman.
Well, me can't get distracted, you know. But you need to stay focused.
No, if it's give me an example, sure.
I mean, I am telling you, you don't have to follow what I say, but just listen to what I say. Big man, the future bright for you. My days them done. All you need to do, just stay focused. Don't get distracted by nothing.
No.
Don't make nothing distract your friend and company. Girl thing.
Bro, my father been a tell me that you know have to rub it in my ears again. We been know that.
Alright.
I know from start high school, I was one girl I did have a try for cut her. Not really cut her, but I put her up on a level. You see me?
But that's I say, brother. But that's I say.
Yeah, mommy. Me a walk a come now.
Yeah, good to go. And I say, one nice phone, the man work and thing.
No, say my people send it from foreign for me though.
Oh. You know, Ghost, I never really 2 years in the name and nothing still. I forgive you your credit still. You don't give your grandmother no problem.
No, sir.
Mad thing, man. See. So what you really want to do? You never have nothing you really want to do?
Why, well, you know, so me interested in a farming thing.
Farming?
Yeah.
What? That mad man. You know, so Jamaica need more farmers though. I like that youth. Come never really see no young youth that say they want to get in a farming and all them things there. Well, if you're serious, guess what?
Yeah.
I always go for the farming school up at Portland, you know. Deal with some computer thing for them. So you see next time you're up there, I'll get some information from you.
Right.
For you, yeah? And if you're serious,
Yeah.
it can happen, bro. So I'll link you as soon as we get the information. Just keep your phone on and you just deal with it from there. So.
Alright.
Sound good?
Sound good.
Alright, man, brother, man. Walk safe, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah, man. Mojo.
What?
Ah, tit.
What you doing in my place, man?
I deal with my channel.
They are going to have a lunch, you see me?
Brother.
Rasta village.
Manners. When me are there, so when you are there, so brother, food look good though.
Yeah, man, a Rasta village, man, you don't know. No flesh, no flesh.
So I pray.
I'm just there normal out, man. You don't know what I say? Flex one the song them, brother.
But I come like a joke. Can you hear me ask? So you not tell me Mojo. The another little man when we run into and tell me say, oh, Flex gone to prison. I know he send man go kill man. So you not tell me.
You don't know the streets here, man. I worry about what them a say, cause people are gonna chat things, you know. And Flex still there in a prison and write song, you know. But your song them, one you forget them to him.
Alright, well, you don't know me stay with the writing thing. Man. After them jip me in England, he said me ain't no right nothing else, no, but he start them out still.
Needed, brother.
Get them.
Needed, brother.
Well, I can still do song from behind, boy.
Yeah, man, him still a do him thing, man. You don't know. Man for discreet, but him still a do it.
Yeah, man, do it, man, do.
Yeah.
Me start them out and make you get them, man.
Alright. But watch out now, hold on there.
Yeah.
Want to quench and push. Want to wifey.
Well, wifey, come on, good enough.
Yeah.
Yo, it's a tragedy where it happened, dog. I know the police don't know what going on, but
Jaja.
I'm look into it hard still. Quench and get himself in some things, dog. Brother, rehab the man up there. I mean, I hear a bag of thing about push, but we sure go on still, you know?
Yeah.
But it is what it is. You know what I mean? But it is what it is, bro.
Take care of yourself, you know.
Yo, no,
And the right thing in general.
Yeah, man. You write the song.
What I love. Blessed love, my lad.
You short you.
Yeah,
see?
man. Remember say more on the song them, you know.
Yeah, man. We make you get.
Sometimes when you talk, sometimes not even realize what not chat say, eh?
What you talk about, bossy? In the first place, why am I there, so?
Relax, man, relax. Cause you out there so for a long time. There? You put something in the woman drink.
Which woman, bossy?
So and they have amnesia. You remember what they talk about in that bar?
No,
Oh, you do this and you do that and you're a rampant woman and you...
Me? You sure of me, man? You sure have the right somebody? In the first place, me I wonder why me I do that so?
Why you do that so?
Yeah. Who you anyway?
Don't worry yourself, man. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry about who me, here. Now you me here talk about you put antifreeze in a mama drink. Ah, sort of something what you did that do. Remember say you there at the bar, you know? Are you out there say what you say, you know? Me was just over there having a drink and I listen.
Jesus.
You don't remember, don't you?
No, bossy.
That we don't know, man. I don't chat too much. Show the little new girl in the bar. I'm telling you, this is for me girl. Nobody feel like saying it out there, chat to her. I for me girl.
Jesus Christ.
So what you say? You confess. Because there's nothing more you can do for you now. Yeah, go down. We have strong evidence, recording evidence, everything. Ah, come now, man. No bother ball to me, brother. No bother with that. You hear? Cartel, make sure you tell yourself you stay out of trouble, you know. Can you come out now?
Yes, my boss.
And the gun will find upon you, we better pray to God say no much murder upon you, or we not find out upon you, hear? As you go down, best thing you can do is confess.
So me can trust you, bossy.
Nobody put your trust in me, man. But you better put out your trust for yourself. Whatever you put out, that will come true.
So, how the sentence will go, bossy?
Because you look for about a nice, solid 30 years to life. And if you plea, you probably can talk to the judge and make him cut down something for you. You see me? But you have to do something for me to do something for you. You understand?
Alright, bossy, I take a plea deal still, you know.
Hold on, one more thing. How the shooting?
Which shooting, bossy?
And you set up a man them to shoot your man.
No, me boss, me no know nothing about that. Nothing about that.
Yeah, me I say. Me can't help you if you lie to me, you know. And if you lie to me, me go find out. You understand? And it will even worse. Me can't go bring this no foolishness to the judge. A different thing, you know. It's a different system around this thing, you know. You understand? So,
I understand what you say, boss, but tell you the truth, you know. I don't know nothing about shooting, you know. I see my wife, I don't want easy woman either. That me I try to tell you, boss.
so long. What do you mean I don't want easy woman?
I don't want easy woman.
You catch her with a man. And that's why you do it.
You know, see, I want to look a young dude on the side.
And that's why you do it.
You know the amount of money I spend on my wife, boss.
Yeah, but me I say, but that's why you do it, because you spend
Do what?
much. That's why you kill it.
Me not kill her.
And how you do it?
No, my boss, me not kill her. You shoot him, you know, probably the next man.
The next man?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you know about the other man?
No, but one little bird pinch me and I show me what I want. But me try to catch her upon the action, but can't. She's killed. But the shooting part, you don't know about my boss. Remember, say my wife look good enough. All you that look my wife.
And because another man has slapped you, you can't take to feel the pain.
Boss,
You can't take to see another man has slap your woman on her ass, eh? That's why you do it.
Do what?
Are you in that position, you know, my boss?
Sure.
But yeah, what? Since there's anything you want to do, you know, sir, you do it. But you said, I walk out of the room, yeah? I can't help you again.
But boss, I don't tell us the drinks thing yet. But I don't know about shooting.
Oh, so you confess to the drink?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yo, squatter! Book him there!
So, Paulette, thanks for coming through. So I really appreciate it.
Yeah, man, I'm tired to see where me I come from, but me have to go and check up on Stephanie. What is happening with her, though?
You know, she had do better.
Thank God.
Like, man, it was tough. All the running around,
Yeah.
I have to do, and still don't know where this a come from or what I want.
It puzzled me as well.
You know, the police them a do them best. Me actually go see the soup and then tell them I work diligently on the case. So I have to just work with them and see it out. You know, everybody's still shocked about this.
Yeah,
You know?
hopefully they don't catch this person because it bothers me a lot because me don't understand where this a come from. I know my friend and she don't really have no problem with nobody, so it's hard. It's really hard.
For real, that me I say to cause your phone a beep.
Sure, you know this damn bad boy every minute he call me and me ignore him, you know. I not answer him, you know.
Yeah?
Every minute he call me.
Oh. Enough psycho out there, man.
Yeah, man, and the one you're a real stalker because he keep on a call me. Every minute he call me, I not take the call and he got dead if he that stop.
I have a dilemma myself. Paulette, can I tell you something?
Yeah, man.
Tell you something, man, between me and you.
Yeah, man, anything. You know me and you're different.
I cheated on Steph. Yeah.
What?
It was I know. Never done anything like that before.
What?
It was a one-time thing. Like, I don't know when I did that thing. Just my bedroom influenced me. Cause for a little while we didn't have problems in the bedroom.
So did you tell her? She knows about it?
No, I never tell her.
So that is before she go to the hospital or after?
Before everything happened.
Wow.
It's like every day, conscience had killed me. Like, I feel like I want to tell her, but I never really tell her still. But I want to try to tell her still. Girl, red dude, it's like she turned into a psycho. I don't know where it come from. She all want money from me.
What you say?
I swear to you, Alec, that drive me crazy.
No, man, this will get out of hand.
I know.
This is way out of hand.
Keep on call me.
So which girl that?
Some girl in name, say she name Passion. I don't know how do this. The man,
Passion?
this girl from. Everything when me do with the girl, just end up show up at my gate.
What?
Show up at the house one time. I don't know, but
What, this is serious? This is not some blackmailing thing, man.
something like that. I don't know where that come from. It's been bugging me the whole time. And
Lord have mercy.
finally said, I need to tell somebody that you are the first. Or me tell still, if you can't just keep it between me and you.
Boy,
You
Steph, I'm
know,
a friend, but I don't want to break her heart, so I have to go check it. But you have to go deal with that.
yeah, man, I work on it
And then
still.
make it come out and make you feel bad. Because if that comes out, I know, she go feel some kind of way, you know. Better if you tell her.
I know. I'll just deal with it still.
It's a sad situation, though. I don't know what is happening in my people. So why she have to blackmail, you know? So it was all about money then? Or something, she have something that against you?
I guess so, but I try to find out everything about it still as best as I can. But I appreciate you coming by anyways. Just keep that between us, yeah?
I will.
All right.
And just let her know that I came by and I
Definitely.
was asking about her and I'll
Yeah,
come back and look for her.
Yeah, man. I actually go up there tomorrow.
Yeah,
I'm
man.
gonna go up there every day.
Yeah, man. Just give her my love.
Yeah, man. I will.
Man.
Thanks again, yeah?
All right, no problem.
All right, cool.
Later.
Yeah.
Hello? Girl, Malaya, I get ready for come go down at the club. My day but three want go, you know, to be honest, cause me no know. Me not feel the vibe and me no know. Me just not like the whole idea of this thing. But you know, food I fi eat and all of that, so me I go just go down there. So me I go call you back, cause me I get ready for go down there now. Alright. Hello? I'm coming. Me no really want to do this, you know. Me no really want to do this. So when you call me, you behave like some affy. Me no really want to do this. Alright. Me super.
Mama, what go on?
Oh, go and push
Long
him there,
time
man.
I see you in a yacht.
For real,
Yes,
man.
yeah, I know yacht.
Boy, you really have a way for cheat a friends, eh?
Boy, from a CSN come call me and I pre say, yes, mama, have sitting for me and all call long time. You see me, I say, yeah, man, me know, man. So me just there, me I say, well, I go on and know. So, you know, I think so.
Me really want to know, Kush. What really happened? Because you give me a word, me just want to know how did I ended up getting shot? What really happened?
Sure, mama. You know, say, I want to look a shot at them when me and them a par. But tell the dog what to do, you know. I show him my vibes and say, yo, dog. I saw you for deal with the thing. Me don't know who I got. Me don't know if I weed or too much grab a man bun before a man go on the move. Mama. Me don't know how you get shot. Me all one, yo, right? Me all a plan say me go rip him and them, you know, but she not even know you. Yeah, man, mama, man. Me I tell you, man.
You lying son. I must catch you, Mr. Kush. I must catch you. One by one, me have to hold you now.
Steph? Yeah.
Alright, so, you know, see Stephanie yet since she come out of the hospital?
Yeah, man, I got look for her since she come out of the hospital, man. She had the good.
Oh, for real. Definitely. I haven't gone to see her yet, you know, because, you know, so much things happening and, I mean, she was such a good friend to me.
She is a sweetheart.
Babes, everything alright? Come to the door, I'm here at the balling. How I going? Huh? Oh, Jesus. It's alright. Sorry. We could try again. I know.
Of all the things I've done for him, Kid really is trying to kill me. For what reason, I don't know.
Right now, I'm confused.
Like, Paulette,
Why am I trying to poison your weed? I don't understand. Why am I give you away how? I don't know. Tell me what they go on.
remember, all my blood test results came back positive.
See what?
With the coolant.
What you say? So all of the time I bring your juice, I put coolant in your juice?
Yes,
No wonder why for me to ask you if you're thirsty. Jesus Christ, God Almighty. What a man wicked. Then I feel like him, I feel like a man dash where the key, boy, like that, I feel still back road. You wicked, man. God Almighty. No, man, you know, if you come back, man. I hope you know about that easy, more pressure them, then send him to prison for life. God Almighty, boy, wicked, man. Jesus Christ. Get up, man, come. Oh, God Almighty, come. Come there for you, come. Jesus. They can't even lift you up. Come. Holy friend, come, get up. Oh, Jesus, come.
Kid shall suffer.
He must be good on.
Suffer.
He must be good on.
You shall rot in jail.
Me ensure I'm there by your side, PP, pluck, I have to go down. Me have to go to prison.
You know what?
Jesus Christ, me can't be saying man, some kid have so much ears and everything we do for that boy there. You can't trust man, not even who you sleep with.
Like, I've been so stressed out, but you know what? I'm happy that I have you guys. I have you and I have Stephanie. I mean,
we have your back. We now left you out. We have your back.
We're going to look for Stephanie and we're going to have a good time.
Yeah, man.
Like,
how long me can't come to this? It's like me last.
But it's alright, you know, it's alright.
Yeah, my Jenna, man. You don't know that right now, yo. You even know better.
You know me, I pray.
Mm.
You never think like you would do something different though.
Something different? What do you mean by something different, bad man?
Like, I've been a pray like to do some farming, you know?
Farming? Yo, brother. I find out right now if I just say boy live it true, bad man. That me I pray.
Yeah, you're saying that. In real life. Sure about that. What do you mean?
Brother, farming, yeah, I don't know. I want to run share brain, brother. You talk about farming for when me there, so bleach up on the man, bad man.
Like
if you want to do farming, you go and go do farming, bad man. I man me wait on right now, brother. Yo, man, it's back a foreign, you know, bad man. That Jamaica you want to stay, you know. You come like a Jamaica you want to stay and do farming, bad man. I New York me for the right now, yo. I pray for see when you ride in. They saying soon riding.
What you mean? In so forward?
Oh, dog, riding now, brother. That me depend on you, brother. Big woman thing, you know. The boy want to sit in a piece of food right now, bad man. You see it?
Push, remember, so we can't really do this favor, you know.
I know you what. Yo, don't move. Take it easy. Yo, don't move. Yo. Take it back from him now.
Take off.
Yo, take it back from him.
Take off.
No.
You want this one? Take off.
Take it back from him.
I want this man out. Yo.
Yo, go in there, sir. Go in there, sir. Yo, sit down, sir.
Hold on. Yeah. Is this him?
This a boy a soup.
Yeah.
After the IT team go through the social media and get to find out, say, him set up him the footballer you there.
This is him.
Yeah, him set up the man.
Who don't take man for him?
So what? Me no fit plead my case. So me no forget for someone to say. Look more the man talk about you know, boss.
Abo, shut up, man.
So hold on there.
It's a very despicable.
Look here, man. You hear them do? Yo, take him out of my sight. Take him out of my sight.
So boss, me not fi talk my case, me not fi talk my side of the story.
No worry, man. You have your time in court. Listen to me. People like you, why the reason why I come down here, you know? To get people like you off of the street. Get him out of my sight, man. You're just a damn poor. Take him out of my sight, man. Damn despicable.
Yo, friend killer, come!
Goodness, Abo.
Take him out of my sight, man.
Friend killer around here!
Come in. Detective bro.
Always listen now. Always buckle up and let's take a ride. Let's go see what life is like. Cause when you're black, you got to pay the price. Living in poor and poverty ain't nice. So when you get an option, just make a choice. And when you make a choice, make sure it's right. Cause what is life? Life is a reality, me see poor people living in poverty, leaders of the world. They're living in luxury, and all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? Life is a reality, me see poor people living in poverty, leaders of the world. They're living in luxury, and all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? Way. You better make sure that you do the right. Stop think once, start think twice. Stop all the war, fussing and fight. Warring by day and war by night. When the time is right, it's gonna be alright. Let us all unite. Let us all unite. Always. So what is life? Life is a reality, me see poor people living in poverty, leaders of the world. They're living in luxury, and all they get to youths, they're living in misery. And all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? Life is a reality, me see poor people living in poverty, leaders of the world. They're living in luxury, and all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? Way. Life can be up and it can be down. Sometimes you feel like a rolling stone, rolling down and running around. Don't let your conscience get you down. Cause where there's a will, there's always a way. It'll soon be your day. So what is life? Life is a reality, me see poor people living in poverty, leaders of the world. They're living in luxury, and all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? Life is a reality, me see poor people living in poverty, leaders of the world. They're living in luxury, and all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? Way. You better make sure that you do the right. Stop think once, start think twice. Stop all the war, fussing and fight. Warring by day and war by night. When the time is right, it's gonna be alright. Let us all unite. Let us all unite. poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury, and all they get to use, they're living in misery. When all the little girls they are living strife. So what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury, and all they get to use, they're living in misery. When all the little girls they are living strife. So what is life? So what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury, and all they get to use, they're living in misery. And all the little girls they are living strife. So what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury, and all they get to use, they're living in misery. And all the little girls they are living strife. So what is life?